Let's remind everyone of what these superstars are facing. Iron Man match means the victor has to earn the most falls within the time limit. That can take place via pinfall, submission, or disqualification in a countout. He's one step ahead there.
Boom! Right across the larynx.
Here's the early cover. He hasn't done nearly enough to get the pin yet.
Definitely looks in a hurry to finish things.
Oh!
Up and boom! Knee drop right on target.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
From the top.
Diving hammer strike. And the rope forces the break.
Great effort, though.
What a smash.
That is just insulting.
He's taking some good hits.
Important not to lose focus.
He could pin his opponent right here. Early kick out, referee right on top of the action.
An almost instantaneous kick out there. A lot of work left to do.
Being carried around with ease.
Can't prepare your face for that.
A completely relentless attack from Umaga.
Umaga is showing no mercy out there.
Punch. Nasty. This could be it. Cover. Shoulders up.
It is going to take a lot more to keep him down. Ooh.
Stomping. Ouch.
Stomping the leg.
Setting him up. Flatliner.
Ooh, stinking kick. And the knee.
Iron Man match time. It's no secret that this is one of the most strenuous match types in all of sports entertainment.
Yeah, now that the bell's rung, the only things that matter are the scoreboard and the clock. I think we're going to see some true endurance and even a little desperation in this one, gentlemen.
Oh, this is not good at all. The pendulum backbreaker stretch.
Uh-oh, this is not going to look pretty. Submission being applied. The submission is in.
A single leg camel clutch and a great counter.
The scoop slam sets things up.
That's using your head. Oh, God, that hurt. That unraveled on Umaga. He goes for the quick pin attempt. Rope break, pin stops.
This is getting intense. Someone check on Saxton.
Ooh, putting all over their opponent.
These are grueling encounters. Corey, how important is it to score the first fall in this matchup?
It's of the utmost importance because technically it could be the only fall of the match. Whether it be a pinfall or a countout, as long as you have a point advantage on your opponent, it doesn't matter what the number is. And well, it's a huge psychological advantage too. Whoever it is that gets that first fall, if they can, you know momentum is on their side.
Umaga was ready there.
Bad predicament right here.
Wow, the power that takes is insane.
And set right into the corner. What a clothesline! Ouch! Flat out power.
Wow.
A deadlift military press.
Holy moly.
Oh my, what a splash! 2 count digging deep for a kick out.
What a match.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow. Momentum is running away from Umaga.
Umaga has to find a way to turn things around. Ooh, man.
This match grinded him down a little.
Samoan wrecking ball.
Systematic.
And now he's looking to lock in this submission.
Targeting the shoulder with the claw. I think he's...
Escape and a takedown. Deep hammerlock applied.
Presentation of power there.
This could do it.
1, 2, no, he gets the shoulder.
Almost inhuman at this point.
Umaga is really out of it. He might be done soon.
Umaga with a reversal.
Here it comes.
Samoan spike.
Will that do it for Umaga? Will that do it?
Near fall.
Where in the world is he getting this from?
His beating heart will not be stopped.
That move has brought victory before, but not on this occasion. Mike.
Here it comes. Samoan spike.
Did Umaga just finish this?
He gets the ball. Oh, the arm taking a blunt to that.
Stiff headbutt. Expected that one.
With the counter. He's been placed in the corner now. Oh, clothesline. We're seeing an unbelievable performance in front of us.
Oh, what's coming here? Submission move being applied.
Oh, is he going to tap out? He may.
He is barely hanging on.
Nice escape. Powerless position to be in right now.
Are you kidding me?
This match may be nearing its limit.
He needs to get himself some room to regroup fast. Comes the throw. Uh-oh. So much damage inflicted.
Mistake by Umaga. He's turning the tables.
A counter answered by another counter.
Oh, man, meeting the barricade.
It's the sudden stop at the barricades.
And this match will head back to the ring. He needs to find his way back into the ring.
The count just keeps going up.
This is what you call high risk, high reward.
He scores up.
Taking flight.
Look out below.
It doesn't matter if you're on the outside of the ring. There is no place safe when you face such a risk taker.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
Going for it again.
Oh, anus knee to the face.
And Umaga's laid out.
Oh, and he just kicked out.
I would have bet this was one after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of.
And now the question runs in the mind, how am I going to be able to end this?
Impressive display of power. Measuring it up one more time. Boom! Knee right to the face. Meet him at the pay window.
He sneaks a fall. Look at him totally fine.
This'll do it. Umaga.
Samoan spike. Amazingly executed once more.
He gets one.
Placed in the corner.
Umaga's opponent in serious peril here. Look out! Here it comes!
Oh, Samoan spike.
Will that do it for Umaga? Will that do it?
Tack one onto his scoreboard.
He fends off the attack.
Nice scoop slam.
Saw that one coming. And Umaga is in control.
Full focus from Umaga. He weathered the storm and wants to create a flurry of his own.
Big overhand.
Cross body. Here he goes for the win. 1, 2. Oh, and a kick out.
You got a question. How much is it worth? How much is it worth to continue through the agony?
It's obviously worth everything. Obviously worth every drop of sweat on the ground.
He could be looking for a submission here.
Targeting the shoulder with the claw.
He is in deep trouble. Could be down a fall if he can't hang on.
And he may have felt his grip slipping, so he releases the hold.
Still was able to produce some considerable damage, though. What a nasty knee lift.
Flat out power. Wow. A deadlift military press.
Holy moly.
And that's an attack that must hurt Umaga even more at this point.
Umaga's fought. Yes, he didn't come here to watch him boast and taunt.
Caught him right in the jaw.
What a shot. Face first. Look at this, going right after the left arm.
Gotta hurt.
Catches a punch. Oh.
And more attacks up there could leave him stunned.
Each blow affecting his equilibrium.
That's how you dominate your opponent.
Shoulders down. 1, 2. He gets the leg score. Or a pump handle. Pump handle coming.
He gets a fall down. He's going back to the well.
Boom, knee right to the face. I think that finally causes the push.
2, 3. No. 2 count. Thought he had it.
You gotta be kidding me.
How draining was that? Can it be done again? Can that maneuver be summoned at least one more time? 1, 2. Late in the match, he scores a fall.
I can see up to the rafters, and there's not a single person sitting down.
What an environment this is. All eyes are glued on this battle.
Umaga sidesteps that.
Nothing fancy there.
Foot just stomping down. Counter from Umaga.
Umaga's lining up to finish this off.
Here it comes.
Samoan spike. Umaga could be looking to end this.
2. And he gets the fall late in the match.
Down opponent and a double axe handle smash.
Getting clubbed by the axe handle. And Umaga showing he still has fight left in him.
You have to be impressed with Umaga, given what he's been through thus far.
Knew what was coming there. Alabama slam.
Are we about to see it again?
Oh, knee smash in the face.
One more time throwing the heavy artillery.
2. He has scored a fall late in the match. Taken down with a body slam. That's using your head. He must be asking himself if continuing is worth it. Is the pain too much?
He's endeavored so much that...
Does he get him here? Great awareness as he gets to the ropes to stop the count.
Here it comes!
Samoan spike.
Did Umaga just the Climax?
2. He sneaks a ball there.
This crowd is truly unworthy of his incredible magnificence.
Slam. He's running on empty. Oh, my. And the resiliency to win this one.
Here is your winner, Umaga.
An absolutely impressive performance and win here tonight.
practically an inhuman effort in terms of resilience on display throughout this match. You really have to hand it to them. They earned this victory.